Hello guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today when I'm cooking in my kitchen for dinner, lamb pork chop, and I put it in the refrigerator, let it sit about 2 or 3 hours, and this is the season that I use. And you can pause this video if you want to. Use the same season that I used on my lamb chop. So that says black pepper, roast garlic, spice. Even though they say chicken, but you know what, you can still use this on any kind of meat. You don't have to just use it on chicken. Onion powder and garlic powder. And then for the side dish that I'm using, easy dinner tonight. This is my side dinner: cream, spinach, and garlic butter broccoli. Easy. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cook this in my air fryer. Easy dinner on Sunday. Yeah, you guys like my breakfast that I post on Sunday, April 26, 2026, and this is gonna be my dinner on Sunday, April 26, 2026. Right, y'all hear that? April 26, 2026. That's crazy. Alright, so let me go ahead and get out of here and stuff. And I'm gonna, if you want to, I'm gonna pause it for a second. You wanna use the same season that I did on my pork chop, just pause it. If you don't, it doesn't matter. But yeah. Okay. And you could just pause it. Okay, so easy dinner, I guarantee. He's Texas recipes, family specialties, cooking up flavors, soul-saving spices. This is Deidre, Clement, Southern cooking. All right. So I will see you guys when when everything is ready and cooked. Yeah, this definitely gonna be a short video. From my kitchen to your heart. Hey guys, so this is how I look. This is the spinach. And then just follow the recipe on the back. These are frozen. That's how I look. And this is my broccoli. And we got the recipe on the back on the bag. Now usually I like to add a little salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, to my vegetable. Okay? Okay, so now I'm going to just put, they said a teaspoon of water, but I know how much water to put in. Okay? Okay, guys, I add my seasoning. Seeds I use. I'll see you guys when everything is ready. Trying to look at my pork chop. I don't think it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. That's how it looks. Okay, so I went ahead and flipped it. See guys, it's not done yet. Alright, again, I will see you guys when I make my plate. Everything is ready. That's how it looks. That's the food. Spinach. That's the broccoli. Alright, you guys. So next clip I will show you how everything will be done, and I'll show you my plate. Okay guys, so I made my plate. This is it. Hope you guys like my quick dinner. Very, very easy, you guys. So hope you guys go ahead and go to the grocery store and get you some lamb pork chop with boneless. Yes, and I did my pork chop in my air fryer. Look how seasoned it is, you guys. Oh my goodness. Season well, I guarantee. And the side dish, again, my broccoli. That's the side dish. I had 2 side dish and creamy spinach. Yep. Creamy spinach. And also 2 pepper. I was gonna cut up me some onions and tomato, but I didn't feel like cutting it up and stuff. But this is my plate, my dinner on Sunday, April the 26th. Boy, this month is almost out. My goodness. Wow. Everything is going so fast. This year is going by really, really fast, you guys. Yes, indeed. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really, really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post to my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed Sunday and the blessed weekdays next week. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. This is so easy, super easy. This any kind of a beginner cook, this is so easy for you guys. All right, so I'm Mr. Dig In. I taste everything. The spinach is on point, broccoli and the pork chop. And again, this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. I'll show you. Kiwi strawberry. It's a flavored water. Yeah. That's what I'm drinking. All right, so let me get out of here, you guys. And again, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Let me just show one thing. Oh, that's a nice picture right there. Wow.
From my kitchen to your heart, my mama's wisdom gave me the start. He's Texas recipes, family specialties.